Hello everyone. Now let's see how we will solve this question. The question is if x belongs to R, that is real number. So x is a real number and this is given to us x raised to 4 minus 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 8 times. So there are 8 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, so there are 8 zeros. This equal to 0. So this equation is given to us. Okay, if x belongs to real number and this is equal to 0, then what will be the value of x? So we have to find out the value of x, and these are the options given to us: plus or minus 10. Next option B is plus or minus 10 square. Then third option is plus or minus 10 cube. Then last option is plus or minus 10 raised to 8. So let's see how we will get the answer of this, how to find out the value of x. So let's move ahead with the solution part. The question is x raised to 4 minus, this is 1 and 0 is given 8 times. So I am writing it 10 raised to 8. Okay, we can write it like this. And this is equal to 0. Now this we can arrange it on the identity of a square minus b square. Okay, so again I am writing x raised to 4 as x square minus, x square whole raised to 2. So x square and then square of it. So x raised to 4 I am writing like this, minus 10 raised to 8 I am writing as 10 raised to 4 and then square of it, and this equal to 0. So you can see this is a and this is b. So this is a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? The identity is a minus b into a plus b. So this is equal to a minus b, means x square minus 10 raised to 4 and x square plus 10 raised to 4 equal to 0. Now there are two brackets and both are equal to 0. So from here we are getting two equation. One is, one we are getting x square minus 10 raised to 4 equal to 0, or another one we are getting x square plus 10 raised to 4 equal to 0. So these two equation we are getting. Now solving this both equation. So further if you see this minus 10 raised to 4, we will take it that side. So it will be x square and this side it will be 10 raised to 4. Again this square we are taking that side. So this square will go there and it will become root. So it will be root of 10 raised to 4. Now when you remove this root, this 10 raised to 4 will become 10 raised to 2. But root is given. So root is given. So this value can be positive or can be negative. Okay. So if you do minus 10 raised to 2, if you square up, then also we get a positive answer. And if you square up positive 10 raised to 2, then also the answer is positive. So root is given. That's why we are getting plus or minus 10 raised to 2. Okay, we are getting plus or minus 10 raised to 2. Now moving ahead to the next part. So here this was our second equation. So here x square and this plus 10 raised to 4 we are taking that side. So it will become minus 10 raised to 4. Okay, now same way we will take this square there and it will become square root. So x will be equal to square root of minus 10 raised to 4. Now 10 raised to 4 you can remove outside the bracket, but this minus 1 will be left inside the bracket. So you will get x equal to plus or minus 10 square. In place of this 10 raised to 4, again we can write plus or minus 10 square, but this minus sign, this negative sign, it will remain inside the root like minus 1. So we are getting this plus or minus 10 square into square root of minus 1. Okay, so this way we are getting four solutions. Here plus 10 square minus 10 square, here plus 10 square and square root of minus 1, and minus 10 square root of minus 1. So there are total 4 solutions of this equation. So we are getting 4 solution, but the condition is given that x belongs to real number. Okay, so x, if x belongs to real number, okay, if x belongs to R, that is real number, then we can't take this part. We have to ignore this part because here square root of minus 1 is given. So this is not a real number. So we will ignore this solution. Okay. So this solution we will ignore, because the condition is given that x belongs to real numbers. So this is not a real number. Okay, so this will be our solution, plus or minus 10 square. So this will be our final answer. So x equal to plus or minus 10 square. Okay, this will be our solution set. So you can see that option B shows this answer, right? So plus or minus 10 square is given here, option B. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you understood this. Thank you.